6 Best food to make your joystick bigger and stronger. Ready, set, go. Number 1. Onions. Onions are great foods that help increase your banana size. Onions contain sulfur which acts as blood thinner. This means it increases the flow of blood to not only the heart but every part of the body including your banana. And the more blood that flows down there, the bigger it can get. Number 2. Salmon. Salmon, just like onions, salmon also helps in improving blood flow and is known to help men get stiffer, bigger and long-lasting erections. It is a perfect food for banana size increment. It contains omega-3, DHA and DPA's fatty acids which help in thinning blood thereby improving its flow. Number 3. Banana. This is the number 1 recommended food for pea enlargement and size gain. It is also good for your heart and blood flow. Number 4. Turmeric. The main health ingredient here is curcumin, which is known to prevent clotting in favor of blood thinning in men. Number 5. Ginger. Ginger contains what is known as salicylate which is responsible for the production of acetylsalicylic acid which also stops blood clotting in men. It also helps to increase your banana size. Number 6. Cayenne pepper. Just like ginger, cayenne pepper also contains salicylates. Hence they also improve blood circulation throughout your body and down to your pea man. These foods are some of the top best foods that guarantee banana size increment and health. They all are natural and contain nutrients that improves the health of your banana and also increases its size. To see more videos like this, please consider like, share, and subscribe.